Hi, it's Amanda here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Digi Global Panvision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headline from the Middle East. Fun and merriment marks Bilawaz Dubai and Northern Emirates Annual Sports Day. Here's what we have in our local news. Hawk 2008 delights food lovers. Malnad Youth Association celebrates 6th anniversary. Film star Digant steals the show. And in our entertainment bash, we have songs by the Loreto Church Choir from Konkani Nirantari and a song from the Mega Konkani concert held in Dubai.
Apurva for Atlan.
News in detail. Bilawaz Dubai and Northern Emirates is an association formed with an objective of bringing together all the Bilawaz living in the UAE and to provide a platform for everyone to exhibit their talent. This weekend, a majority of Bilawaz presently settled in Dubai and Northern Emirates got a chance to display their sports skill. The annual sports day was full of fun-filled games for all age groups. Bilawaz Dubai and Northern Emirates conducted annual sports event in the cold weather at Wanderers Club Sharjah on Friday, February 8th. The event started in the morning with a welcome speech by the President Umesh Kukian. Approximately 350 people had gathered to enjoy the games. Well-known Bilawa personality Purushottam Salian and his wife inaugurated the program. Various sports and games events were held throughout the day. Among all, three-legged race, lady human wheelbarrow and bowl-out games were the special attraction of the day. Prize distribution ceremony was held after the games. Prominent Bilawa personalities Suresh Amin, Praveen Kumar, Mohan Attawar, Uday Kumar and Dayanand Bangera were the chief guests. Mangalore is known for its spicy and delicious food, and to tickle the taste buds of Mangaloreans, a good number of hotels are run here earning good profits. And to cater to the needs of the hospitality industry, the city has in its abode a number of hotel management colleges. Their annual affairs like food festivals are the much-awaited events for food lovers. Hawk 2008, the 15th annual food festival, jointly organized by Srinivas College of Hotel Management and Vijay Lakshmi Institute of Hospitality Science, was indeed a food lover's delight. India is blessed with a rich culinary heritage, and the students of Srinivas College of Hotel Management and Vijay Lakshmi Institute of Hospitality Sciences proved this true when they cooked with great energy and love a variety of South Indian and North Indian delicacies. Hawk 2008 lived up to its name, with the festival leaving the gourmets hogging till the very end of the event. In addition to music, culinary talent of the students was offered at the food court as part of the festival. Cuisines of Chinese, Thailand, Mexico, Kerala, Punjab and Gujarat were also available. Flavors from various parts of the country stirred the taste buds of Mangaloreans. Intricate food and vegetable carvings were also on display. Central Administrative Reforms Commission President M. Veerappa Moily inaugurated the festival.
I was also in charge of tourism as a minister in the state. I was invited by that group of hotels to inaugurate a festival like this, a food festival. I think must have been held maybe in the Taj Hotel group of hotels. or in Ashok Hotel, I don't exactly recollect. And that group of the chairman at that time, one lady, was also present. Then I told them that, of course I have tasted your food, but doesn't taste well. They asked me why. Having tasted the Udupi and Dakshina Kannada food, I don't think the food which you have prepared can taste well.
Mangalore Urban Development Authority former President Tejo Maya was the chief guest. A. Shyama Rao Foundation President A. Raghavendra Rao presided over the function. A. Shyama Rao Foundation Vice President A. Srinivas Rao, Vijaya Lakshmi Education Trust President Mitra S. Rao, Vijaya Lakshmi R. Rao, Srinivas College of Hotel Management Principal Vinaya Raj, Vijaya Lakshmi Institute of Hospitality Science Principal Professor Anil Kumar were present. Students who hail from Malnad regions of Shimoga, Chikmagalur, Uttara Kannada and Hassan districts who are studying in Mangalore have formed an association, namely Malnad Youth Association. On Sunday, February 10th, the association celebrated its 6th anniversary. Heartthrob of Kannada film goers Digant, who hails from Tirthahalli in Shimoga, was the chief guest. We have a report on this. This Sunday, it was an occasion to celebrate for the youths of Malnad region who are pursuing their studies in the colleges of Mangalore. Their association, Malnad Youth Association, completed 6 years, and to celebrate the occasion, they held a function at Shanti Nilaya. Chocolate hero Digant, who received appreciation for his acting in Kannada flicks Meera Madhava Raghava, Mungaru Male and Gali Pata, who hails from Tirthahalli, was the center of attraction. Addressing the enthusiastic youths, Digant had all praise for the people and the rich heritage of Mangalore.
ಆ ಜನ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 6 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
In Tak, Dakshina Kannada District, President Rakesh Malli inaugurated the program. Mangala Lime and Marine Industries Managing Director B.A. Mohidin Bava, Malnad Youth Association President Amit Shetty, Zilla Panchayat President Sucharita Shetty were the guests. Now it's time for a short break. Don't go anywhere. I will be back with some wonderful songs to rock you music buffs. So don't miss it. Stay tuned.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್,